Everyone. Today we're solving population census in HackerRank. The task is to calculate the sum of the populations of all cities, but only for the continent Asia. Here's how the logic works. The city table contains city information, including the population of each city. The country table contains country information, including the continent each country belongs to. To get the population of all cities in Asia, we join city and country. Country code and code are matching key columns and will join tables with these columns. There are different types of join, and we use left join. On these matching keys, filter where the continent is Asia and sum up the population column. Let's run and look result. Result seems correct. Thanks for watching video.